Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, when the emigrants emigrated from Makkah Mukarramah to Medina Munawwara, they were empty-handed, whereas the helpers owned lands and properties. The helpers allotted their lands to the emigrants on this condition that they will give half of the produce to the helpers per annum and keep the remaining of the produce, whereas the emigrants will toil in the fields. In place of the helpers, Hazrat Anas' mother, called Sulaim, who was also the mother of Hazrat Abdullah bin Abi Talha radiyallahu anhu, gifted Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam some date palms, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted those trees to Ayman, who was a slave girl manumitted by him and was the mother of Hazrat Osama bin Zaid. Ibn Shihab Zuhri says that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu informed me, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free from the Khaybar expedition and came back to Medina Munawwara, the emigrants returned the helpers the donations which they gave them in form of fruit. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned Hazrat Anas' mother the trees given by her, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted Ayman trees in place of those trees. Ibn Shihab Zuhri says, Hazrat Ayman radiyallahu anha, who was the mother of Hazrat Osama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu, was the slave girl of Hazrat Abdullah bin Muttalib radiyallahu anhu, and she was from Ethiopia. When Hazrat Amina radiyallahu anha gave birth to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam after the death of his father, Hazrat Ayman radiyallahu anha would raise him. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam grew up, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam manumitted her and then married her to Hazrat Zaid bin Haritha radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Ayman passed away 5 months after the demise of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4578.